Breaking: Onitsha, Obosi, Oba, Orifite, Okija, Ihiala, Uli, Ogbaru was added to Anioma State. He don't read for una. Una don't kweme be that. This kind of posts will cause division. It will make people from Anambra State that are supporting Anioma State not to support Anioma State again. You will be surprised to know that this post is being sponsored by those people and politicians that don't want Anioma State to join Southeast. They know that this kind of post will cause division, and to actualize it, they used a bigger platform to propagate it, to cause division, to cause hatred. Anioma State is only for the Igbos in Anioma land and those in Edo State. No part of Anambra State was added in Anioma State. Imagine 8 communities from Anambra State, then they won't add for Anioma State. Did we Anioma people tell them that we want to add communities from Anambra in Anioma State? Anioma State is already big. We have the landmass, we have the population, we have the resources. So why taking people from Anambra to add to Anioma State? This thing is false information. It's misleading. This is propaganda. Go to the comment section, make they see comments where people they make for that place. Who be the person where they handle that page now? So many people that are following that page, they don't know the person handling that page. Igbo, if you don't know the person where they handle page where they follow, unfollow that page. Unfollow those pages. Be careful of those pages, because people that are pushing propaganda normally use such pages because nobody know the identity of that person where they run that page. Like this one now, you don't know the identity of the person where they run the page. He just they post anything where you see, anything where you hear. People from Anambra go start to the fight against Anioma State now, because so many of their communities and territories, they don't add them for Anioma. No be saying now we Anioma people where want Anioma State Adam. Now this person will make this post Adam, just to cause problem and disunity. Anioma State have so many enemies. You get people where say that they fight this Anioma State with everything where they get. They saw that Anambra people are in full support of Anioma State. I can boldly tell you that 100% of Anambra people are in support of Anioma State. They want Anioma State to be part of Southeast. In order to fight Anioma State creation now and the Southeast zoning, they have to use the psychology of people to actualize that aim, and that is by doing this kind of posts. Waiting this person go gain for this post where you make now. Waiting concern on Rifite with Anioma State. Waiting concern Oba with Anioma State. I don't understand. Waiting be all this rubbish. The worst part of it is that the page where post this thing, now the name of Anambra use Anambra pictures. Just imagine. You go surprise say the person will get this page na Igbo person. Now, you an Igbo person, you are now spreading this kind of lie, you are now spreading this kind of propaganda to fight Anioma State. Which place when I forget the information say 8 communities from Anambra, say they won't add those 8 communities for Anioma State. Where una from they get all this information? With the Igbo unification movement that are championing this Anioma State, we have never for once heard that they want to add any part of Anambra State, all those Oba or Rifite and the rest. We have never heard such a thing. This post now, you don't get to so many people for Anambra State. They don't they get to mind now. Make we support this Anioma State, or make we not support them, or make we they support other state instead of this Anioma State, because these people now they want to take our territory for Anambra State. Igbo, we need to be very smart. We need to be very intelligent. We need to be very wise. We need to be careful concerning all these pages on social media that are spreading lies, misinformation to divide Igbo nation. they have seen that majority of Southeasterners are in support of Anioma State. You go even surprise say now some of those Anioma people wey no want to make Anioma State join Southeast. You go surprise say now some of them they sponsor this kind of post. As a person where they champion Anioma State, I know they like see this kind of posts. Most especially post where they say na Igbo person make this kind of post am for social media. If to say na Ile Ebinu or Yoruba people post this thing, I not get issue for that. But the post is coming from an Igbo platform. It's very bad. Some people go see this post as normal thing, not be normal thing. Social media is a very big place. Information where they do social media pass wetin we dey hear face to face. If you post something for social media, 1 million people they see that thing, 2 million people they see that thing, 7 million people they see that thing, 1 billion people they see that thing, billions of people they see that thing. You feel they have now pass information, everybody for Igbo land go see that thing. We have to be careful with this social media. Let's pass the right information and not propaganda to divide the people. We will never allow anything to stop Anioma State from joining the Southeast. Anambra people disregard this information. It's false information. This information is false and misleading. It's propaganda. Anioma State is not adding anyone from Anambra State to it. Anioma State is strictly for Anioma people and the indigenous Igbos in Edo State. Igbo Bofu, let's be guided. Ishiagwale.